Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in League of Legends. Whether you want to change the game text or the character voiceover language, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Change the game text language. First, open the Riot client and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, select Settings. On the left side, click League of Legends. Under the League of Legends settings, locate Game Text Language. Click the drop-down menu and choose the language you want to use. Depending on your region, the list of available languages may be different. Once you've selected your preferred language, close the settings window. The next time you launch the game, the interface should appear in the language you selected. Method 2. Change the character voice language. If you also want to change the character voiceover language, you'll need to modify the game's shortcut. Go to your desktop and locate the League of Legends shortcut. Right-click it and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, locate the target field. Click at the very end of the text in the target box. Add a space. Then type the following. Locale equals. After the equal sign, enter the language code you want to use. For example, ya_JP for Japanese. You can find a complete list of supported language codes in the description of this video. Once you've entered the language code, click Apply, then click OK. Now launch League of Legends using that shortcut. If everything was entered correctly, the game's voiceover should use the language you selected. If it doesn't work, double-check that the language code was entered correctly and that there's a space before locale equals. Keep in mind that some language options may not be available in every region. That's all there is to it. You now know how to change both the game text language and the character voiceover language in League of Legends. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more League of Legends tutorials, Riot Games guides, and PC gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.